Here's how to fix search history not showing in Google. As you can see, I'm currently on the Google website. When I click inside the search box, none of my previous searches are displayed. Even if I perform a new search and then return to the search field, the search isn't being saved. To resolve this, first make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Search History. Here, you may see a message saying that your search services history setting is off. To enable this feature, click the Available menu option. Click on this drop-down, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Turn On to confirm the change. Once you've enabled the setting, you can close the current window. Now, return to the Google search page and click inside the search box. Search for anything. Now, back and click on search bar and your previous searches should now appear, meaning your search history is being saved correctly. That's all for this video. Thanks.